What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here on the road glide. It's cold out, but we did a little ride this Saturday morning. We got Mr. Fly and Ride. We got George, Mr. Cycle Fanatics right here. We got Nedal behind me, Joe behind me, and my man Jersey Bagger. So we're gonna check out this area in Clinton. It's right off the river, Red Mill it's called, and you know, it's right on the river. It's a we're right here already. Oh, Jesus. I almost dropped my bike. I'm gonna check this spot out.
Ah, but you gotta, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
You gotta love early back there. Audrey, man, he's the guy can't talk worth his shit, but can sing like a motherfucker.
Oh, hell yeah. It's probably another hour and a half.
No.
Really? We're Clinton?
Right?
Yeah.
Clinton Diner and then...
Oh, yeah. That railroad diner, right? Yeah. So we're here at the Red Mill Museum and Village. I see you. It's a beautiful area. There's a little waterfall. It's not even a waterfall. It's probably man-made. But yeah, we got the crew here. We got Jersey Bagger, Joe, Nedal, Georgie, Fly and Ride, and Mr. Cycle Fanatics. All right, let's check this place out. Oh, the expert pilots. Whoa, look at that.
Gotta get all the angles, Dave.
Yeah, hell yeah, I know, I understand.
Dave got a haircut, he looks like he's 12 years old. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look, Golden Pile.
Wow, it's really silent, man. Oh. We got the waterfall right here. This beautiful area, man. That's a cool looking bridge. Alright, we're back on the road here, guys, and we decided that we were going to go get some cheesesteaks. So we went to that beautiful place, that Red Mill place over there in Clinton. You know, that's what I like about Jersey. You know, just an hour and 10 minutes, hour and 15 minutes away, and we're right here at the shore. Yeah, I know it's January, but you know what? It's there's a good cheesesteak place here right on the boardwalk. If you guys see it in my prior videos, it's called Midway's Cheesesteaks, and yeah, man, it's a good place. It is cash only, so I do have to stop at the. I'm pretty sure they have an ATM outside the place. But look at this. Look, 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 look. Beautiful shot. Can't go wrong. Coming here. Yeah, it is January, but it is only right now about 45 degrees. You know, you got the heated gear on and stuff, and you really don't feel it. So I do have to turn up the setting on these Gerben Hero gloves, but because of I keep them on the low setting. I really don't go too crazy with these. And you know, that's the only thing that's cold right now is my hands. My hands are, I mean, they're not freezing cold, but they're cold enough. Started to bother me, but like I said, I have to turn up this turn up the setting on here. But like I said, man, it's an hour. We're literally in Clinton, New Jersey. If you Google that all the way to Seaside, I think it's an hour and 20, hour and 10. Not too bad. And look where you are already, right by the ocean. This is the Bayside. And then you have, when we're going up to the boardwalk, you'll get the Seaside Boardwalk. I haven't been here in, well, last time I was here, we did eat some cheesesteaks, but actually physically be here and be here in the summer, that's a different story. I haven't been here. New Jersey traffic gets a little crazy around here. It's closed. We had Steaks Unlimited. Midway was closed, and yeah, it's a short little ride today. Well, not short, but short enough. About to head home and relax a little bit. But yeah, man, George got this beautiful Indian, very nice bike, very nice. Mr. Jersey Bagger's thinking about getting one. Damn, that Indian is fast. I was definitely juicing it. So short little ride today, guys. Hope you had fun. I did. It's nice to get out on the bike, especially in the winter time. But if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, if you hit that like button, also don't forget to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, little YouTube will let you know. Alright, I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace! Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.